Sahasra Yuga Parjantam Arahajjat Brahmano Vidu. This is the Brahma's 12 hours. That is Brahmalok. You cannot calculate what is the duration of life there. But even if you go there, the problem, death will be there. The problem, death will go. Janma mrityu jara vyadhi dukkha dosha. The problem which is here, just like the birth-death problem is within the ant society. Birth-death problem is there within the animal society. Birth-death problem is there in the human society. Similarly, birth-death problem is in the moon society or sun society or Brahmalok society, anywhere in this material. That is real problem. But what is my position? My position is that there is no death, no birth. Na jayate na mriyate va kadachi. The Bhagavad Gita. Teaching, Krishna teaching, that soul never takes birth, neither dies. Then what is this death? Then this is not death, this is changing a body. Na hannate hannamane sarire. Even if you take it is annihilation, yes. But the soul remains. Nitya sasatayam na hannate hannamane sarire. The people have no brain. Death, what is my problem? I am eternal. I have no business to accept so-called birth and death and disease and old age. But I am put under this condition. I have to die. I have to take birth. I have to become old. I have to accept disease. This is our real problem. But they have no information. They neglect this because they cannot make any solution. They think it is usual. We have to suffer. Just like an animal. Animal is taken to the slaughterhouse. He knows that I have no means. I have to be slaughtered. He has no means. But for human society, this kind of ignorance is not good. To submit to the laws of nature against my principles, I do not die. The laws of nature is forcing me to die. I do not wish to be old man. The laws of nature are forcing me to become old man. And so this can be avoided. And for avoiding this problem, this human form of life is there. But they do not care. They are thinking, advancing. What advancing? Advancing means this body, now you have got nice, beautiful American body, but by your work, if you are going to accept next life, dog's life, then what is the benefit of your activities? Because there is no guarantee that you will again get the American body. Even if you get the American body again, but there is no guarantee that you will be allowed to live. If you get the American body of a cow, you will be slaughtered. Even though you are American. So, this is the ignorance. Therefore, Yudhishthira Maharaj has accepted Mahajana Jaina Gadasya Pantha to follow the footprints of great personality. That is advancement. Otherwise, degradation. Now, the real solution is, here it is stated, Dhyayan na avarteta jasugataha. That is explained in the Bhagavad Gita also. Jadgatyana nivartante tadhamam paramam mama. Tadhamam paramam. Dhamam means place. Krishna is the proprietor. Sarvaloko Maheswaram. He is the proprietor of all planets. So, every place belongs to him. Sarvaloko Maheswaram. But he has a supreme place. The Dhama Paramam. Where if you go, you will never return. Jadgatyana nivartante. That is Krishna Loka, Goloka Vrindavan. If you go there, then you do not come back again. There are many confirmation in the Bhagavad Gita. Takta dehang punarjanma naiti mameti Kaunteya. My dear Kaunteya, Arjuna, Janma karma me dibbam jo janati tattat. If anyone knows what I am Krishna, my birth or janma, Krishna's janma, ajopi san abhyatma. He has no birth, but still he appears like taken birth. You can understand very easily. Just like every morning the sun is rising. It is not that a new sun is coming, the same sun of yesterday. And it is not that it was finished yesterday. The sun was existing there in the sky, but on different position of this planet, I saw the sun is now set. Similarly, we are part and parcel of Krishna. If we have no birth and death, how Krishna has birth and death? That is not true. Therefore it is said, Ajopi, san abhyatma, bhutanam ishwaropi san. Although he has no birth and death, still he appears just like he has taken birth from Devaki's womb. It is just like the sun is rising from the eastern side. It does not mean that the eastern side has given birth to the sun. No. Sun is very big than the eastern side. But it appears like this. Therefore Krishna said, Janma karma me dibbam. Because there are many theologists, they say, why God shall take birth? That is their argument. Our answer is, why God shall not take birth? If he is omnipotent, so why you are minimizing his power, that he cannot take birth? He must take birth if he likes. And Ishara sarvabhutanam nirdesha arjuna tishtati. Ishara, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, is staying within the heart of everyone. So, within the heart for everyone, if he can come out, what is the difficulty for him from within the womb of somebody he comes out? What is the difference between heart and womb? And Krishna entered within the womb of Maharaj Parikshit's mother to save Maharaj Parikshit. So Krishna can do anything. Therefore, Kunti said that Antarvahi, Krishna is within and without, still we cannot see. Krishna is within and without, both ways. But we cannot see either within or without. This is called Maya. This is called Maya. So, this is the problem, but that is not the problem for Krishna. But that is problem for us. Because we are very minute. Spark of Krishna. As the spark has the chance of being extinguished out of the fire. Similarly, being separated from Krishna, being entangled in this material energy, we have forgotten. That spiritual quality, burning quality just like fire, that is now extinguished. It is not exactly extinguished, almost extinguished, we have forgotten. But it can be again brought into the original position by fanning. Just like there is small fire in the charcoal, you fan it and it will gradually become a big fire. So this Krishna consciousness movement is fanning that spiritual spark to come into full consciousness. Hare Krishna. Thank you very much.